for anglerfish, waving in the sea, looking at the ocean, happy as can be. B is for betta fish, flaring in the light, with its purple fins shining oh so bright. C is for crab, hiding in the reef, sitting on a stone, shaking off the grief. D is for dolphin, jumping with delight, leaping through the waves, what a pretty sight. E is for emperor shrimp, on a sea slug's trail, moving down the path with a tiny tail. F is for flying fish, with a yellow tail, gliding through the air like a little sail. G is for green crab, waving claws so wide, hiding in the cave, full of joy and pride. H is for hermit crab, strong with much delight, holding up its shell in the spooky night. I is for isopod in deep sea dreams, sleeping very soundly under starry beams. J is for jellyfish, drifting in the beams, floating like a cloud in the ocean streams. K is for killifish, quick as a spark, dancing all around, glowing in the dark. L is for longfin bannerfish, swimming round the park, waving its long fins from the dawn to dark. M is for manta ray, flying through the deep, while the quiet ocean is going to sleep. N is for nudibranch, colors bright they keep, crawling on the rocks while the babies sleep. O is for octopus, clever, shy and neat, with 8 curly arms dancing to the beat. P is for piranha, sharp teeth, what a feat, swimming in the water, looking for a treat. Q is for quahaug, buried in the sand, watching paper seaweed in this happy land. R is for rainbow fish, brightest in the band, shining with its colors, coolest in the land. S is for seahorse, resting near the shore, we love our little friend more and more. T is for turtle, wise forevermore, moving very slow on the ocean floor. U is for urchin, spiky little ball, sitting on the sand, cutest one of all. V is for viperfish, with teeth so tall, smiling at the friends, being kind to all. W is for walrus, whiskers round and proud, sitting on the ice, singing very loud. X is for Xiphophorus, swimming in a crowd, flapping tiny fins, happy and so proud. Y is for yellow tang, swimming very fast, finding neon corals as she rushes past. Z is for zebrafish, we are at the last, saying goodbye now as the song has passed.